Hello, this is Gopi Bhusanatham, Director of Servetogether Foundation. Greetings to you all. Are you concerned about choosing the right brace for your child? When you come to know that baby is going to born with clubfoot, you started worrying about it. I'm sure, no doubt in that. Your work should be finding a right doctor who can give the right correction on the Ponseti method of clubfoot management and straighten the feet like a normal feet. That is called a correction phase. You don't have any work in front. Doctor will take care. When it comes to the maintenance phase, that is called bracing time. As per the Ponseti method, it highly recommends baby should go with the brace 23 hours a day, like 3 months, then night and nap time until 4 to 5 years. It is a big task, I'm right. But even though we know the subject, we are failure many times. Many parents came back with the failure notice that they are not able to manage the maintenance phase. The correction phase, doctor will take care. When it comes to the maintenance phase, you are the doctor for your child. You should know how to wear the brace and how much time it's supposed to be, how comfortable it should be for the brace. Really, baby is able to tolerate these all things. You should know. You should go to the doctor in interval time and cross check with the doctor too. But many of them failure reason is they are not able to find the right brace. I thank Clubfoot Solutions. Clubfoot Solutions is part of Iowa University. It is associated with the Ponseti International Association and developed, designed for a managing and treating the clubfoot. That is, the Iowa brace is a specialized orthopedic device. It offers optimal support, alignment, comfort to ensure effective correction and promote healthy foot development, helping to free the world from the clubfoot deformity with the Iowa brace. The Iowa brace constructed with a good ventilation port and a silicone material and nylon cloth where they use it for designing this brace with the flexi bar platforms where we can easily connect. This is really amazing. Good news Servetogether bringing to you is that this brace is now available in India. Dear parents, when we are treating a child with a casting, baby is very comfort. But when you are giving a brace, it is really challenging. I am here to share my screen for a while. You can notice that Iowa and Servetogether working together in India to help the clubfoot children. Iowa is a part of Iowa University. Clubfoot braces is part of Iowa University. This is called Iowa braces. We have different sizes. It looks like this. Which feet is corrected will be 60 degree and normal will be 30 degree. For example, this one is a unilateral left is affected one. And this is the shoe looks like. Internal part will be very comfortable. No itching, no irritation, no pressure source. And this is the spare parts what we can talk about. There is a flexi bar, platforms and small screws. The where we can remove the key, releasing key. Very simple method they design. Like this it works. We'll insert the bar inside and whenever is required we'll remove the bar separately. Again we'll insert. And we have a sizes 000 to size number 12 where 7 to 9 years baby can wear very easily. And we can use these braces even night and nap time. These are the some helpline numbers if you need more information. Kindly share this news with your friends, well wishers, those who need the assistance on the clubfoot brace for a child. I am so happy to bring that many children in India benefited through this, and they are the happy customers for us and serving better. Together we can give a better to the child. Thank you. Thank you so much.